Typhoon Bibinka, the most powerful storm to strike Shanghai in decades, made landfall early on Monday, September 16th. According to the China Meteorological Administration, this severe typhoon unleashed wind speeds of up to 151 kilometers per hour near its eye, making it the strongest storm to hit China's largest city since Typhoon Gloria in 1949. Local authorities have since been on high alert, working tirelessly to mitigate damage and ensure the safety of Shanghai's 25 million residents. Bibinka's arrival has brought the bustling metropolis to a virtual standstill. All flights at both of Shanghai's main airports were grounded as sheets of torrential rain drenched the city. Roads have been waterlogged, with many sections of major highways and key bridges closed to prevent accidents. Shanghai's extensive network of public transportation, including most train and ferry services, has also been largely suspended, leaving commuters stranded. Additionally, popular tourist spots, such as the Shanghai Disney Resort, closed their doors to visitors as the storm barreled in, creating a ghostly calm in typically bustling areas. City authorities, anticipating Bibinka's arrival, had issued a red alert, the highest possible level in China's weather warning system. This alert prompted widespread evacuations, particularly from the Chongming district at the mouth of the Yangtze River, being relocated to safer areas. The typhoon's timing is especially unfortunate, as it coincides with the Mid-Autumn Festival, a time when families across China gather to celebrate and travel. The festival is a cherished 3-day national holiday, and many had planned trips during this period. However, the severe weather has derailed these plans, causing widespread disruptions to transportation networks.
这次台风刮得有点猛烈，你看楼层比风小很多。
Thousands of travelers were left stranded as their flights were canceled, and train services were halted. Meanwhile, local authorities have implemented strict maritime safety measures, ordering all vessels to return to port well in advance of Bibinka's landfall to avoid the dangers posed by high seas. This has affected both commercial shipping and fishing industries in the region, further amplifying the storm's economic impact. On the ground, Shanghai's flood control headquarters reported that they had already received dozens of calls reporting damage, primarily related to fallen trees, broken billboards, and other debris scattered across the streets. The extent of the damage is still being assessed, but initial reports indicate that typhoon has caused widespread disruptions in residential and commercial areas alike. The city's first responders are working around the clock to manage the storm's aftermath.